team on my back. I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap. Nobody ever gon' challenge me. Starting my week on a Sunday, and then they can make it a one day. I just been ready to take off, waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never
1,300 miles. Nice. What is going on, everybody? How are you doing? It's been a while, and looks like rain. That's lovely. Anyway, I felt the need for I felt compelled to make another video because I haven't made one in quite some time. I mean, quite some time. But, ooh, that did not sound good. I want to do two things today. I want to talk about something that I've been kind of wanting to do, and then I need to air up the tires on this, but I have a pump with the car, so it's not a big deal. But yeah, I've been kind of MIA. Haven't ridden the bike too much. It's been hot. I like to complain about it. We've had a break in the 110 degree weather for the past couple of weeks, so I'm kind of getting on it and ridden it a little bit more. Not so much that, you know, feel compelled to drop another video, but just enough to kind of get the feel of it again. So, as the video has been titled, you'll see that I want to build it. I want to do some stuff to the bike. Now, I don't want to go, you know, all out crazy, you know, do a 5-6 inch swing arm extension and do that. No, I just want to do some engine stuff, exhaust, you know, that kind of thing. So let me get up here, I'll pull over, and then I'll talk to you more about it looking at the bike. Did you miss me? No, I'm kidding. That was it. Anyways, so I got some plans for the bike for Betty. Betty the Busa. But so to go down the list, I want to do an air filter. I want to do a power commander dyno pod. I want to do exhaust. I want to do a fender eliminator kit, lowering link, new rear spring. I've already got an air filter picked out, so that'll be the first step. And whenever that gets in, I'll do an unboxing video for you. If you want to see this build series, let me know, because a lot of people, yeah, she's a little dirty. I washed her the other day, but I live in a parking garage, so she gets dirty pretty quick, dusty mainly. But if you want to see the build series, follow along. You know, I'm going to be doing it because a lot of times you always see people, they do like a single turbo on the boost, and that's all they do. It's like, oh man, check out this, and you know, they don't show you. Most people don't show you the step by step what you need to do. Oh, hey, I had to tune it. Here, I just had to tune it. They don't show you that. So I kind of want to show you. I want to be able to take it step by step with a beginner, because this is new to me, and do it. I think that'd be interesting. I think it'd be fun to show you that, yeah, this is my first bike, but hey, even with some mechanical experience and the knowledge of what I'm doing, you can do it too. Now, I'm not a full-fledged mechanic by any means, so don't take this and be like, oh, this is exactly what he did, this is what I'm going to do. No. What I do and what you do, totally separate. This is how I'm going to do it. You may do it a completely different way, so just take that with a grain of salt. But got the air filter picked out, going to order that soon. I got the exhaust picked out. It's not a slip-on exhaust, it's a full system exhaust. Gets rid of all of it. It's going to be stainless steel, and it'll be a shorty exhaust, so it'll probably just come out to probably about right there, maybe right here. Not 100% sure yet for the pictures I've seen and what I've looked at. It's going to be a little different, but it's going to be loud, it's going to be powerful, and it'll make the bike sound the way I've always wanted my bike to sound. So I got the lowering link, and you can see down there, that link right in there is the link that I'll be replacing with the lowering link. And I just want to lower the bike probably about an inch, inch and a half. There's plenty of space up in here, so if I wanted to go, you know, 4 inches lower, I could do that. But no, just a couple of inches, make it look a little cleaner, a little lower. That's fine. I want to replace the rear spring for that shock in the back. Like I said, I've already got it all picked out. Good luck changing my mind. And fender eliminator kit, so when I do lower it, you don't have this large, just nasty piece back there. And there's just a couple of little other odd and end things I want to do. Like I want to get a new windscreen, you know, race one. I want to put different handlebars, but just little stuff that I really, you know, I've always wanted to do. So no need for a new chain, ABS wire, brake line wire, you know, no need for all that, because I'm not going to sit there and extend it out 4 or 5 inches, because realistically it's never going to see the racetrack. It's never going to see a drag strip. It's got 1,300 miles on it. It's a year old, almost a year old. You know, I've almost had a year. Dang, time flies. But and I'm not going to do something too stupid with it. Thinking exhaust, air filter, fender eliminator kit, you know, just little stuff here and there. I think that'd make the bike really nice. So join me if you'd like on this experience. And yeah, if you're ready to see some Betty getting taken apart and some building, let me know. Drop a comment. Here you go, guys. Just a quick, you know, here are my plans kind of thing. If you're ready, drop a like. If you're new to the channel, go ahead, consider subscribing. You know, over time, this build will be a thing. Hope y'all had a good day. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we shall see you next time.